In this video we will see how to install a gas stove to a gas cylinder. So for that we need a gas stove and a hose that needs to be connected to the cylinder end and to the inlet nozzle of the gas stove. This is how a gas hose will look like. For this example I just bought a butterfly gas hose when I bought this new LPG gas stove. So it's of really high quality. The material is really of really good strength and high quality. So we'll see how we can connect it to the LPG gas stove. For that you need to actually take that cap from since it's a big new hose, it's like blocked so that the entry is clean. So once we remove that, we need to connect the one end to the inlet of the gas stove, just like this. Apply some really good pressure so that it will go all the way to the end of that nozzle. So just apply some good pressure so that there won't be any leakage or anything like that in the future. So once that's done, you need to take the other end and connect it to the cylinder regulator head. In order for that we'll have to since this is a new gas stove, I'll have to remove this ribbon that came along with this, and this is the regulator, gas regulator, and you have to insert this gas hose into that regulator and apply some really good pressure there also. Now to insert, just pull that ring, that is the lock, pull that ring up and just press it with the switch off. Now to switch on, just turn on the regulator. Now the gas will start flowing. It will take some time for the gas to actually reach, since it's a new LPG stove. As you can see, after some times we are able to actually light the burner up. To take off the regulator, it's just the reverse process. Turn off the cylinder first, then just push on that pull on that ring and apply and take that regulator off. It's just that easy. So I don't want to repeat that video again and again, so that's why I just showed you for this installation of this gas stove. Hope you like this video. It was just a simple quick video on how to install your new gas stove to a cylinder if you don't know it already. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.